nice and warm and summery and woolly and comfy. Ooh, got a message. Just my boyfriend. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay out there. Hope you're sunbathing and doing what you need to do. And I'm still getting hairs out my highlighted head. And just for your record, yeah, I've highlighted my hair. And I'm going to use Elvive purple shampoo later and the purple conditioner soon, just to lighten up the brassiness of the hair. So yeah, I'm just going to do that later on. I've got some food coming later on. My dad's birthday tomorrow, so I've got to get him a card and a present. And my ears are, I don't know, my ears are like whistling. I don't know. And also, just a serious note, if you have a invisible disability about this coronavirus and wearing masks and all that, and you feel like claustrophobic, you can't breathe, you can get these on hidden disabilities. Get these and you wear it on your neck, just like this, and you have a little card to say that you've got a hidden disability. Show them this, and if you've got anxiety and all that, asthma, you know, if you've got a lip read, then you don't have to wear a mask. So these, go on to hiddendisabilities.com and you'll get these for about 50p. I ordered 3, so yeah, go and do that. And anyway, today we're going to be doing the oh my god, what am I saying? Oh, I see what I got conditioner. Yeah, gonna be unboxing this GLOSSYBOX, the August birthday box, and yeah, I'm a lucky one because it has sold out now, but you can pre-order for September box. So I'm going to pre-order September box on glossybox.co.uk. Tissue. Careful. Every time I do this, things fall out. Good job. So I'm gonna open this. It comes with 5 products, and these are what's in it. Right there. And it's got this like little stuff right there. Got that little bouncy hamster bedding. I don't know. Anyway, let's get on with it. Let's get on with the show. And it comes with a little leaflet. This month it's a booklet, and it tells you all about what's in it. Sneak peek for next month is the Avant Hyaluronic Vitamin C. Anyway, it's worth £89. So that is what's coming in September. On the back you got the advent calendar. For subscribers it's £80. I don't think I would pay £8 for a calendar. Tuesday 8th September you can buy that anyway. So if you want to spend £80 then do it. And you got this like skincare of GLOSSYBOX. Right there. You got like face scrub, face cream, eye cream, night serum, cleanser, moisturizer, deep cleansing cream. On this it says all the prices, and the more expensive price is £18. The least expensive is for micellar gel cleanser, which is £12. The night cream, no, deep cleansing cream is £12. Gentle firming cleanser is £12. So mostly they're all like £12 and £16. It's not bad. Not bad at all. So yeah, let's get into it. Right, the first thing I pull out is this Molten Brown London Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. Here you go. And it smells nice. Very nice. A slice of Crimson Summer Tart. Okay. Freshly picked roses on the pantry table, scattered pastry crumbs and glossy ribbons of rhubarb stem. Treat your senses to an irresistibly sweet recipe with a citrus twist. Vivacious, busy, tempting. Okay. This is 100ml, and it's a mini, and RRPs for full size is £22, and this is worth £7.33. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. The next thing I got is this Brushworks Wonder Complexion Sponge. It's 3-in-1 why can't I speak today? Jeez! 3-in-1 design, latex free, and it's just like a beauty blender. Thank you. And this is £5.49, recommended retail. The most I've spent on one of these is £2, so best be good. It's a little egg. Oh wow. Okay. You get what I mean, it doubles its size when you wet it, like any other anyway. Shite. Moving on. The next thing I have is this Huda Beauty full size demi matte cream lipstick. Right there. And this is 1 of 10. And this one I've got is in the shade Game Changer. £18 recommended retail price. Would it be a glossy party without Huda Beauty? This creamy lippy boasts a luscious, highly pigmented formula that glides effortlessly onto your lips, adding an intense shot of colour to your palette. It dries to a satin finish, creating a sheen on your lips and enhances your lip shape. Simply line your lips, apply your lipstick, blot it to show a beautiful staying effect. So I'm gonna try this now. Ooh. It's got a familiar smell. It's got like a... what have I got here on me? It's got like a chair. It's like a chair shape. Good. Which is good. Goes well my new hair colour. Wow. Oh, quite like that. Wow. I ain't mad at it. Not mad at it at all. So this is £18. Yeah. £18 for Huda Beauty. The next thing I've got is this Steve Laurent lip liner. And this is a full size. It's £12.9. Throughout our birthday month, we want you to enjoy yourself without having to worry about touching up your makeup. Luckily, this magical lip pencil is completely waterproof. Okay, waterproof, doesn't transfer or bleed throughout the day, instead it stays put for up to 7 hours. Use it to shape and define your lip contour, then fill in your palette with a slightly lighter shade of lipstick. Okay, okie dokie. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay. It's got a Steve Laurent on the side there. I'm going to test it out with a lip gloss and see if it matches. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it will match, because nope, it doesn't match at all. Well, that's a bummer. Anyway, next thing I've got is this new GLOSSYBOX skincare, which is coming out in September, which I've just mentioned in the earlier. This is an eye boost cream. There you go. And this is a full size. Recommended retail price is £20. Subscriber price is £16. Proudly introducing the luscious eye cream from our newly launched GLOSSYBOX skincare range. You're the first to try this product, and it's our special gift to you. Its indulgent formula blends elderflower, eye bright and red seaweed extract to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark wrinkles and refresh tired looking eyes. We hope you love it as much as we do. Wow. Not bad. It's a good one. So it's nice pink. Okay, you use it in the morning and night. Oh, cute! It's got like GLOSSYBOX. GLOSSYBOX logo. Oh, what's that? Got a little leaflet. Hey, no one shows this on the YouTube, but I do. There you go. Got a little leaflet there. It's in different languages. Dutch, French, Slovakian, I think. I don't know. It's just different languages, really. But yeah, it's the cute pink and vegan, cruelty free. Quite cute. Cute as hell. There's a load of buses that go by here, so never mind that. Oh wow. It's like in a little... It says to put 3 circles on the bottom of the eyeball. I ain't got time for that. So just like rub it in, or just pat it in, who cares. But yeah, oh wow. I feel it's soothing and cooling. And it's hot still today. Just gave out thunder soon, so let's go to the shop in a bit. Wow. Okay, so that's the eye serum. That's the lips. Doesn't transfer to my teeth, so that's good. That's good sign. Let's get you in the sun. Not bad eye cream. That's the GLOSSYBOX for this month, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and more like this soon. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.